When it comes to choosing windows that combine practicality, style, and long-term value, slider windows continue to be a favorite among Covington homeowners. Their clean design, easy operation, and adaptability make them a smart fit for a wide range of home styles, from traditional to modern. If you're considering replacing your windows or building a new home in Covington, here's why slider windows remain one of the most popular and reliable choices. Simple, smooth operation. Slider windows operate horizontally along a track, making them incredibly easy to open and close. Instead of lifting or cranking, you simply slide the sash to one side. This straightforward design is especially convenient for hard-to-reach areas, kitchens above countertops, rooms facing patios or walkways. Homeowners who prefer low-effort operation. In Covington homes where comfort and ease matter, slider windows offer everyday functionality without complication. Great for wide openings. Slider windows are ideal for wider wall spaces. Their horizontal orientation allows for expansive glass areas, making them perfect for living rooms, dining areas, and family spaces. In Covington properties that emphasize natural light and open floor plans, slider windows help create bright, welcoming interiors while maintaining clean sightlines to the outdoors. Excellent ventilation. Because one or both sashes can slide open, slider windows allow for strong, direct airflow. In Covington's warm and humid climate, proper ventilation is important for maintaining indoor comfort. Opening a slider window allows fresh air to move freely through your home, helping reduce stuffiness and improve air circulation during milder weather. Low maintenance design. One of the key reasons slider windows remain popular is their low maintenance. With fewer moving parts than some other window styles, there is less risk of mechanical wear over time. Modern slider windows are typically made with vinyl or fiberglass frames that resist moisture damage, an important feature in Covington's humid conditions. These materials do not warp, peel, or require repainting. Cleaning is also simple. Many slider windows allow for easy sash removal or tilt-in features for convenient maintenance. Energy efficiency. For year-round comfort, today's slider windows are far more energy efficient than older models. Double-pane glass, insulating gas fills, and low-E coatings help regulate indoor temperatures. In Covington, where summers can be warm and winters occasionally cool, energy-efficient slider windows help minimize heat transfer. This supports consistent indoor comfort and can reduce strain on your HVAC system. Proper installation and tight weather stripping ensure that air leaks are minimized, further enhancing efficiency. Space-saving advantage. Unlike windows that swing outward or inward, slider windows operate within their frame. This makes them a practical option for homes with limited exterior clearance, such as areas facing decks, patios, or walkways. For Covington properties with outdoor entertaining spaces, slider windows offer ventilation without interfering with exterior layouts. A style that fits any home. Slider windows have a clean, contemporary look that complements a variety of architectural styles. Their simple lines and large glass areas enhance both modern and traditional homes. Available in multiple frame colors and finishes, slider windows can be customized to match your home's aesthetic while maintaining their practical benefits. A reliable choice for Covington homeowners. Slider windows continue to be a popular choice in Covington because they deliver on what homeowners value most: ease of use, durability, energy efficiency, and style. Whether you're upgrading outdated windows or planning a renovation, slider windows provide a balanced solution that enhances comfort and long-term performance. For Covington properties seeking dependable function with timeless appeal, slider windows remain a smart and practical investment.